Hi students. Next one, that is test for alcohols. The test for alcohols, that is Lucas test and Victor Mayer test. Lucas test and Victor Mayer test. Now first one we will discuss, that is Lucas test. Student, what is Lucas test? Lucas test. What is Lucas test? Student, that is very most important for NEET and JEE exams. So Lucas test means that is 1:1 ratio of 1:1 ratio of concentrated HCl plus and anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2. This is called Lucas reagents. 1:1 ratio of concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous ZnCl2. The mixture of concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is called Lucas reagent. This is Lucas reagent combination. Student, what is the Lucas reagent combination? That is the mixture of 1:1 ratio, the mixture of concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. It is belongs to Lucas reagent. Student, so what is the purpose of Lucas test? Student, this Lucas test is to identification of alcohols, that is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. Now first one, identification of primary alcohols and secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Now take the primary alcohol example, that is RCH2OH. RCH2OH react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. In the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to give, that is RCH2Cl plus water. Now take the second one, student, that is secondary alcohols. Same thing, when secondary alcohols RCH or OH react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives, that is RCH or Cl plus water. Primary alcohols react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to give primary alkyl halide. Then when secondary alcohols react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to give secondary alkyl halide. Now take the third one, student, that is tertiary alcohols. When tertiary alcohols when tertiary alcohols react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to give tertiary alkyl halides plus water. This is the simple trick, student. Okay, I will give only simple trick. I am not giving mechanism also. When this water is elimination, student, OH from here, H from here, water is elimination. Then here also same thing, OH from here, H from here, and OH from here, then H from here. This is the test for alcohol, student. That is Lucas reagent. When primary alcohols react with Lucas reagent, secondary alcohol also react with Lucas reagent, tertiary alcohol also react with tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol also react with Lucas reagent to give tertiary alkyl halide. Out of these three, which one is fast, student? Out of these three, which one is fast? Here you remember, student, out of these three, simply remember, student, that is tertiary alcohols are very fast reaction. Tertiary alcohols ROH react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of ZnCl2 to give, that is RCl plus tertiary alkyl halides are formed. Water H2O. So what is the reason? What is the differences between primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide? So here you remember, student, this fast Lucas test fast giving, that is tertiary alcohol giving very fast. This test, Lucas test, depends on stability of carbocation, student, stability of carbocation. So stability of carbocation, that is rate of reaction, is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. So we know stability of carbocation, that is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. So this is the order, student. We follow this is the order. tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. So this Lucas test to first one, this tertiary alcohol giving very fast within fraction of second. Tertiary alcohols, I am giving some tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent it giving alkyl halide. It giving very fast precipitate, white precipitate giving, white precipitate. That is tertiary alcohol. It is tertiary alcohols react with Lucas reagent. It gives very fast within fraction of second. White precipitate is formed. White precipitate is formed. Now take the secondary alcohols in the presence of Lucas reagent. LR means Lucas reagent. It giving that time 5 to 10 minutes. Take the time 5 to 10 minutes, giving white PPT, white precipitate. Then primary alcohols, Lucas reagents, so there is no PPT, no precipitate. These three alcohols at room temperature only these three alcohols react with Lucas reagent at room temperature only. Tertiary alcohols react with Lucas reagent at room temperature, it giving white precipitate within fraction of second. And primary alcohols react with Lucas reagent to give white PBT in between 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, then primary alcohols react with Lucas reagent. There is no precipitate is formed, there is no reaction. These are the very most important student. What is Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent, that is 1:1 ratio of concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is called Lucas reagent. What is the role of Lucas reagent, student? Lucas reagent to identification of alcohols, to identification of distinguish between, that is primary alcohol, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohol. Out of these three alcohols, tertiary alcohols are very fast precipitate, very fast giving white precipitate. Secondary alcohols after 5 to 10 minutes, and primary alcohols, that is no precipitate is formed. This is the very most important student. Tertiary alcohols more reactive with Lucas reagent. What is the reason, student? That is stability. This Lucas reagent, more stability carbocation is more stability of carbocation, so that is more reactive. So here this rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation strength. So that's why tertiary alcohols are more rate of reaction. So that's why tertiary alcohol giving white precipitate within fraction of second. So that is the reason, student. So and one more thing, student, that is tertiary alcohols example. Now take the tertiary alcohol CH3, CCH3, then CH3, OH. Sorry, I am writing here. For example, differences between primary, tertiary, secondary alcohol. Now take the tertiary alcohol CH3. This is tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Now take the secondary alcohols example. Now take the primary alcohols example. You remember, student, out of these three, which one is easy bond breaking, student? Out of these three alcohols, this is tertiary alcohols, this is secondary alcohols, and this is primary alcohols. Out of these three alcohols, which one is easy bond breaking, student? So generally in between, student, this OH negative charge and carbon getting positive charge. One more, student, this in between carbon and oxygen, carbon having generally positive charge and oxygen getting negative charge. In between carbon positive charge, oxygen, that means that is complete OH group is negative charge. In between this carbon getting positive charge, in OH getting negative charge. So out of these three, which one is easy bond breaking, student? Easily bond breaking. Here plus minus strong attraction is there, and here also plus minus strong attraction is there. Here plus minus strong attraction is there, and here also plus minus means positive and negative charge, strong attraction is there. Out of these three, which one is weak attraction, student? Plus minus attraction, here also plus minus attraction. So out of these three weak attraction, student, this in primary alcohols, backside CH3 group is there. What is the role of CH3 group, student? what is the role of CH3 group? That is electron releasing. What is the role of plus I group? This plus I group is always electron releasing group, so that's why this positive charge slightly decreases. So and attraction also decreases. Now in secondary alcohol student, here two methyl groups are there. Compared to A, B compared to, that is primary alcohol, B compared to primary alcohol, B is secondary alcohol having two alkyl groups are there, that means two methyl groups are there. These two methyl groups are electron releasing groups, so that's why this more electron releasing, so that's why this positive charge is more decreases compared to primary alcohols. And what about C compound student? What about C compound student? This C compound, what is tertiary alcohol student? This tertiary alcohol having three methyl groups are there. Three methyl groups are more electron releasing group. Three methyl groups are there. These three methyl groups are belongs to plus I group. This more number of plus I groups are there, that is more electron releasing. So that's why here this positive charge is completely decreases compared to secondary and primary. Here positive charge is completely decreases, so that's why attraction is very weak in tertiary alcohol. You remember student? This primary alcohols also having plus minus attraction is there, secondary alcohols also having plus minus attraction is there, and tertiary alcohols also having plus and minus plus minus attraction is there. So here out of these three weak attraction forces present in which alcohol student? That is tertiary alcohols are having weak attraction forces, means weak attraction means plus minus. This positive charge, this carbon also positive charge, this carbon also positive charge, this carbon also positive charge, but these tertiary alcohols are three methyl groups are there, so here this positive charge is completely decreases. In this tertiary alcohol positive charge is completely decreases, so that's why bond cleavage easily in tertiary alcohol, so that's why bond cleavage easily in tertiary alcohol, so that's why it is more stable, that CH3 then CH3, this positive charge, this is plus and OH, this is tertiary carbocation is formed. Then second one is the compared to primary alcohol, it is also easily bond breaking, it is also giving secondary carbocation. And primary alcohol compared to and tertiary primary alcohol student, primary alcohols compared to tertiary alcohol and secondary alcohols is that is not easy bond breaking, so that's why it is also giving primary carbocation. So here stability of carbocation, that is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. Out of these three, which one is easily bond breaking student? Tertiary alcohol is easily bond breaking. Why? Because of due to the plus I groups are there. This plus I group is always electron releasing group, so that's why this that is OH group negative charge and carbon getting positive charge, in between plus and minus weak attraction is there, so that's why easily bond breaking in tertiary alcohols compared to secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is easily bond breaking than primary alcohol. This is the simple trick student. So that's why Lucas reagent react with tertiary carbocation is more reactive than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation more reactive than primary carbocation. So this is the simple trick student. Test for Lucas reagent, that is it giving fast giving, that is tertiary alcohols are giving very fast than secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are giving after 5 to 10 minutes, then primary alcohols are no precipitate, that means no PPT. That is the simple trick student. These Lucas test, this Lucas reagent, this Lucas test giving only for at room temperature only. This is the simple trick student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.